Azaleas are a sight to behold with their vibrant blooms and lush foliage. These stunning shrubs have captured the hearts of gardeners for centuries, gracing landscapes with their beauty and elegance. From soft pastels to fiery hues, azaleas offer a kaleidoscope of colours that can transform any garden into a breathtaking oasis. Native to Asia, North America and Europe, azaleas belong to the rhododendron family. They are renowned for their showy flowers, which typically bloom in spring, blanketing the shrubs in a profusion of colour. The delicate trumpet-shaped blooms come in a wide array of shades, including pink, purple, red, orange, white and yellow. Azaleas are relatively easy to grow, making them a popular choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. They thrive in partial shade and well-drained acidic soil. With proper care and attention, these resilient shrubs can reward you with years of breathtaking beauty. Whether you're looking to create a vibrant border, a stunning focal point, or simply add a touch of colour to your landscape, azaleas are an excellent choice. Their versatility, beauty and ease of care make them a true garden treasure. Planting azaleas is a straightforward process that can be easily accomplished with a few simple steps. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your azaleas thrive in their new home. First, choose a suitable location for your azaleas. They prefer partial shade, ideally with morning sun and afternoon shade. The soil should be well drained, acidic and rich in organic matter. Next, dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. Gently remove the azalea from its container and loosen any circling roots. Place the shrub in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Water the azalea thoroughly, ensuring that the entire root zone is moistened. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant, keeping it a few inches away from the trunk. Congratulations, you've successfully planted your azalea. Now let's move on to caring for your new addition to the garden. Proper care is essential for keeping your azaleas healthy and blooming profusely. By following these tips, you can ensure that your shrubs thrive year after year. Watering azaleas prefer consistently moist soil, but don't tolerate soggy roots. Water them deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Avoid overhead watering, as this can promote fungal diseases. Fertilizing. Feed your azaleas with an acid-loving fertilizer in early spring before new growth emerges. Avoid fertilizing after midsummer, as this can encourage late-season growth that may be susceptible to frost damage. Pruning. Prune your azaleas immediately after they finish blooming. This will encourage bushier growth and more abundant blooms next season. Remove any dead, diseased or damaged branches as needed. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch such as pine bark or pine straw around the base of your azaleas. This will help retain moisture, suppress weeds and regulate soil temperature. Even with the best care, azaleas can sometimes encounter problems. Here are some common issues and their solutions. Yellowing leaves. This can be a sign of iron deficiency, which is common in alkaline soils. Treat with an iron chelate or sulfur to lower the soil pH. Wilting leaves. This can indicate overwatering, underwatering or root rot. Check the soil moisture and adjust watering accordingly. If root rot is suspected, repot the azalea in fresh, well-drained soil. Lace bugs. These tiny insects suck sap from azalea leaves, causing them to appear stippled or bleached. Treat with insecticidal soap or horticultural oil. Caterpillars. Azalea caterpillars can defoliate shrubs quickly. Hand-pick them off or treat with Bacillus thuringiensis, BT, insecticide. If you prefer a more organic approach, try making an insecticidal soap to kill lace bugs. This insecticide is created by taking a mild liquid soap, mixing 4 to 5 tablespoons with a gallon of water, and then pouring the concoction into a sprayer. Gardeners can then spray the soapy mixture directly on affected plant leaves. By addressing these common problems promptly, you can help your azaleas recover quickly and continue to thrive. With proper care and attention, your azaleas will reward you with years of breathtaking beauty. If you enjoyed this informative video on azaleas, please like, share and subscribe for more great plant videos added daily.